Some builders now are paying a lot more attention to what they fill a house with, literally. Filling up all the nooks and crevices in the guts of this steel-framed home is an organically based spray insulation called Icynene. Two liquids come together in the tip of a spray gun, and when it hits the surface, the liquid almost magically expands to 100 times its original volume, becoming a solid, airtight barrier.
Insulation works not by the material itself performing the function, but by the air that's trapped inside the insulation. And if air can blow right through the insulation, then it's not going to work at all.
In essence, the material turns the home into a sealed envelope, making it easier to control air quality and the movement of moisture.
Things that are enclosed are inherently more polluted than things that are out in the open air. So the idea is you want to bring in some of that open air into your enclosed box, and you want to restrict the amount of things inside the box that would cause you problems. So you choose the materials very carefully, make a nicely sealed box with deliberate air, and you have the right combination. And when you do have, for example, a very tight wall in the home and very deliberate air intake, we can keep the humidity right in the right range so that it's not too dry, so you're not getting viruses, not too wet, so you're not getting molds. And those are the kinds of things very particularly affecting people who are extremely sensitive or asthmatic or allergic.
And the material itself is environmentally sensitive, winning praise from lung associations and healthy house advocates.
Well, what I've got in my hand here is 99% air and only 1% matter. And it's soft, it's flexible, it has no odor, and you can't blow through it. There's nothing to itch. This has been independently certified as being free from any kind of measurable emissions.
Icynene insulation is a healthier product that significantly reduces the utility bills for the homeowner while preserving our natural energy resources. And most homes can be insulated in 1 to 2 days, since all the equipment is mounted inside a truck, which can move to various job sites.
The system has allowed us to very easily achieve a very clean, comfortable, healthy, energy-efficient living environment for our clients, which is something that would have otherwise been very difficult to obtain through many different materials and systems, and a lot of labor would have to be extended to even try to accomplish the same thing.
And it's capable of filling hard-to-reach cavities and sealing areas around fixtures that can be major sources of air leaks.
It's an area that we haven't sprayed yet. It's got another of these hollow columns that we're going to inject foam into and fill up from inside. But it's also got a lot of electrical wiring and electrical outlet box there. Now, with conventional insulation, you'd be trying to stuff that behind here, and it just wouldn't fit very well.
The system, while more expensive than most traditional methods, pays for itself by increasing energy efficiency.